Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add products to your Wix website. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. So let's jump right into it. All you need to do, just go and log in with your Wix account, and after that open up the classic editor of Wix. Once you're over here, you're going to tap on this plus icon in the left menu, and you're going to go to the search bar and search for store. Now select Wix store and click on add to site. Once the store will add it to your site, we can see right here we have the store products. Now all you need to do from here, just click on that and click on manage products. Once this dashboard will be popped up, you're gonna select all of the products. So for right now I'm going to delete all of these, so click on more actions and hit delete. So if you want to upload your products, click on new product. Now if it's a physical product, you can click on physical, but in my case I'm going to select the digital file, and here I'm gonna name it as weight loss tips. Then you're gonna upload any file. So over here we have 4 options. Either you can upload an image, audio file, document, or a zip file. So we're gonna go with the image. So over here you have to upload your image. As it's a tutorial, so I'm going to upload a random picture from here, and then click on add to product. Once you have done, you can see right here we have our name. If you want, you can add a ribbon, you can add a description also, and we have images and videos. So if you want, you can add some videos and images that are related to your product. After that, in the last we have pricing, so you can select a price for the product. And then we have on sale, so if you want to put it on the sale, you can also turn this on. And so if you want, you can put it on the sale from here. Anyways, after that, moving towards next, you're gonna click on save, and you can see our product has been added. So you're gonna move back from here. After that, you're going to select add section in the left menu, and then go to store. Once you're at the store, so I'm going to drag this layout from here to over here. You can see new arrivals, and right here you can see this is our product. As before, we didn't add any picture, so it's now blank. So but if you want, you can add a picture over here. And one thing, you can also customize this menu by just clicking over on the background and click on quick edit. And you can also change the section background title. So let's say we're gonna choose this one. It's looking good. Alright, so we have done. So this is basically how you can add products on your Wix website. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.